Okay, so this is video 6. Remember I was talking about how we had showings and then we had an offer? Yes, this is a purchase contract that we got on our house. So the next step in selling your home is to review offers. Sometimes you'll get multiple offers, and that's when several buyers have presented offers on the home all at the same time. And it just depends on the market, depends on the home. There's lots of things that could bring that about, but we didn't get multiple offers, but we did get a really good offer. So we reviewed it as we went through each paragraph of the purchase contract. Just so you know, there's, 7 pages, I believe. Let me double check. 10 pages. Oh my God, I was wrong. There's 10 pages here. And it's not just the purchase, and it's not just when they're closing. There's so many other things to take a look at. Do they have financing? Do they need to sell a home? Do they need concessions? What does their pre-qualification state? So there's a lot of things that we had to go through, and that's what we do here at the Fry Team. We'll go through each paragraph on this contract, make notes on it, and then we'll forward it to the seller to take a look at it. So I did that with our sale of our home, and I sent it to my husband, and I says, please take a look at all these notes and let me know if you have any questions. And this particular buyer needed to sell their home in order to buy ours, and that's a little scary. Everyone's like, oh no. It is another contingency, just like an appraisal or inspections, but it's just something else that we'll have to keep an eye on. Well, after much review and back and forth and discussions, and yes, you can do counters. I think the most our team has seen so far is 7 counters, but it's all about getting, to the meeting of the minds when the seller and the buyer are happy with the outcome. And again, it's not just the purchase price. We look at the estimated net as well. We'll prepare an estimated net based on the terms presented. After reviewing all that, we are executed. Yay, we're under contract, guys. And so now we look at when is the earnest money going to be received. And what's great is that we have a lot of partners we work with, and the title company will reach out to the buyer and obtain that earnest deposit and set up a courier to do that to make it simple. And we'll get the notice that the earnest money has been received. And then we've got to work on inspections. Ooh, they have 10 days to inspect, and that is everything, not just the house. And yes, we sell homes as is, but there's lots of things to inspect that you may not see with the eye, and it takes about 10 days or less, it depends, to inspect it. So stay tuned, guys, for how the inspections come out on Caribbean. Take care.